Have you ever seen a pileated woodpecker in action? This striking bird, one of the largest and most captivating woodpeckers in North America, is hard to miss. With its jet black body, bold white stripes down its neck, and a vibrant red crest, it commands attention in the forest canopy. Watch closely as it hammers away at the tree. With each powerful strike, the pileated woodpecker chips away bark and wood, using its strong, chisel-like beak to dig deep. But it's not just wood this bird is after. Inside, it's hunting for insects, especially carpenter ants and beetle larvae, which make up the bulk of its diet. The pileated woodpecker's strength and precision are extraordinary. Its skull is specially adapted to absorb the impact of constant pecking, something that would give most animals a headache in minutes. But for this woodpecker, it's just a way of life, a routine that keeps the forest in balance by controlling insect populations. So next time you hear that unmistakable rhythmic tapping in the woods, pause for a moment. Take in the beauty and power of nature's design. The pileated woodpecker is a reminder of the resilience and interconnections that make our ecosystems thrive.